online class really work for kids? Does online class really work for kids? You should be telling, dear parents, will it really work for kids? When it is working for mama to clear all the bills, when it is working papa to just sit with the laptop and finish all his office works, correct? When it works with grandparents to see all the serials and movies in a oot, correct? When it works for everybody all over the world, it should also be working for your children also, but only thing is you just have to spend some quality time with them, isn't it? Before you used to spend a quality time for play, for taking care of them, for recreations or many more, but now anybody for that matter, maybe a guardian, maybe a father, maybe a mother, you just have to spend a quality time with your child. Along with your child, you have to attend in online classes. So hardly, for example, hardly for preschool children the online classes will not be for hours together. So maximum 1 or 2 interaction sessions will be there weekly, twice or thrice the interactions will be, and most of the time it will be a recorded videos itself, isn't it? So when it is an interaction, so I hope you should be sitting along with your children for around 45 to 50 minutes. So you can really go back to your childhood, really go back to your childhood, and you also will be very innocent, and sitting along with them you can enjoy it. You may have never got this kind of education, this type of education before, you can really enjoy. Only thing is you have to make up your mind. We humans, even Modi ji has 24 hours, even I have 24 hours, even your kid have 24 hours, whoever has achieved something great, they also have 24 hours. Somebody who is really not, who really want to spend the time just like that without doing anything, they also have 24 hours. So we have to think within ourselves which category we will fall into. Now yav category ge illi irtivi anta yochne madbekagutte. If you really give them some time, 100% it can be possible. 100% it can be possible. Again, learning, always there is a question with the parents, will learning happen in the online? Will learning happen in the online? Will learning happen in the online? So it is very transparent, dear parents. It's very transparent. Before, you were very curious where you are sending your child to school. You were very curious that what my child is doing at school. So has he been bet by somebody? Has he been scolded by somebody? So how cranky is my child? He is troubling somebody, or somebody is troubling him. So did he have his food or not? Did he had his water or not? So was he been trained, well trained for his potty training? So is madam qualified or not? Is madam teaching or not? Is madam polite or not? Is madam sweet or not? Lot of things were been there which was been running in your mind before you were sending to a like regular schooling. But now, as because this is an online, it is very transparent, dear parents. If not you, who is going to cooperate them? And for example, if you are not able to make your single child sit in a class, and how it is possible for a teacher to handle all the 30 students? So taking an online classes is also not so easy, dear parents. It's very riskful. She has to concentrate everybody, and she has to make herself perfect, and she cannot be herself. She cannot be herself as she is in a regular schooling. You have to think that in your mind. She has to take care of everything. So if you are making your mind, obviously the online classes will go ahead. I do agree, again and again I am telling you, I do agree, if this pandemic was not there, this headache or these issues wouldn't have been raised at all. So life was been very happy. But now, if not your child is sitting, if not your child is listening, if not your child is learning, what else the child is going to do? Yen madutte magu maneyalli? And don't tell me this, dear parents, that the child is, the child is spending a quality time anta helbadi. So I am getting many complaints, the psychiatrist, the counseling, or many complaints that I am getting that the screening time is being totally increased for all the kids from the age of 1.5 till the age, whatever age it is. The screening time is being totally more comparatively, and children are into the gadgets, correct? They are into the gadgets. When they are so much into the gadgets, if they are spending 45 minutes or 30 minutes for a quality time education, so that will make really a sense. And this is what I would like to tell you. If you are making up your mind, obviously the learning can happen.